Alright, family, I am sitting up here and we are eating some fried fish. Oh, let me get the spoon and get it out, y'all. Cooking up some fried fish. Hold on. Where's the spoon? It was who? Oh, she called that number back? Oh. Alright, some fried fish going on here. Let's see. So we eating dinner kind of late, y'all. So some fried fish. We got some fried fish, some baked macaroni and cheese. We got some, hey family. Yeah, I'm taking the fish out right now. And the oven is hot as hell, y'all. So we're having some fried fish, some baked macaroni and cheese. Now we got to take out the baked macaroni and cheese, y'all. Tiana, come hold this phone for Nina. Huh? Come hold this phone. Peace and blessings, family. Hold it. Let's take out the baked macaroni and cheese. Yep. Say hi to everybody.
Hi, everybody.
Oh, we got 2 pans of baked macaroni and cheese. 2 pans, y'all. And we just took out some fish. We got some candy yams over here. Oops. Yeah. 2 pans of baked macaroni and cheese. Yeah, more fish to put in. And now we're taking out the candy yams, y'all. 2 pans of candy yams. Oops, let's put the marshmallows on. Pass me the marshmallows. Hey, y'all. Alright, family. Now we gotta put the marshmallows on there, y'all. Y'all get to watch a little bit. We cooking kind of late. Yeah, y'all probably talking junk, but it's okay. It's all right. We're putting more fish in. How you doing that? I'm gonna do this, y'all. Huh? Do what? Oh, yeah. Hold the phone up. Y'all cooking with me tonight. You see me putting the marshmallows on the candy yam? You just want to eat it. You greedy. Here.
I want one.
Greedy, greedy, greedy. All right. Family, y'all want to come eat? Y'all want to come eat with us? Y'all want to come eat with us? We're cooking up. Wait, we're cooking for 2 houses, okay? We're cooking for 2 houses. So this is why you see us cooking all this food. Other daughters are being lazy, so they want us to cook all the food for them, right? Can we hold it for her? Hold it for her.
No!
All right, okay. Here. Stop stomping before I smack you. Oops, drop the marshmallows, okay, family? So here we're cooking, putting the marshmallows. Look down there, show them to y'all. Show them what we're doing. Show them what we're doing. Show them we're putting the marshmallows on the candy yams. Yeah. Woo! Hold it up. Yeah, this oven is hot as hell, y'all. Hot as hell. Dropping marshmallows, alright? So, we're saying that. Now, baked macaroni and cheese is done. Watch it. Okay. Alright, let me see. Woo! Baked macaroni and cheese is done. Fish is done, y'all. Got some more fish frying over here. Okay? Got some baked macaroni and cheese over here. Okay, 2 pans, y'all. 2 pans. Let me taste, y'all. Let me taste this fish. Let me see if it tastes good. Cause I gotta let y'all know. Okay. Not bad. It tastes kind of good. Well, the fish tastes kind of good, y'all. Y'all get to hang out with me on a Sunday, looking crazy. Anyway. Is Henry on the way? Erica, you looking at seeing the food? Look, y'all, my other daughter. See, that's why we cooking so much. Because we gotta cook for them. Look, 2 pans of baked macaroni and cheese. Fried fish. She says she's about to pack the stuff up, Erica, and bring it to y'all. Yvette Banks, Brian Magnet. Hey, my brother, how are you? So, y'all, this is us. We just finished cooking all this food. And we're about to chow down. We just put the candy yams in the oven. As y'all can see. In the oven cooking. So we ain't doing nothing elaborate. Y'all get to hang out with me on Sunday. I'm looking crazy. Been cleaning all day, doing stuff all day. But, oh, let me fix the fish, y'all. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Alright, what's going on with the string beans over here? You put some butter and salt and pepper? Alright, so you can turn off the oven now. Because see, the candy yams are pretty much done. And being that they're already done, you just put... Alright, y'all can turn off the oven and just put your marshmallows on top. Because the oven is still hot. So what it'll do, it'll melt anyway, okay? And how I make my candy yams is I make them with... What's so funny? Okay, we're making them with cinnamon, sugar, okay? A little bit of vanilla, a little bit of nutmeg, and pineapples. I like pineapple. Some people use fruit cocktails. Depends on what I'm making. I'll use fruit cocktail, but I use pineapples. And then after you put the sugar, the coconut, excuse me, not the coconut, y'all, the cinnamon, and you put the, a little bit of vanilla, nutmeg, and then you put the sugar, mix it up, let it bake. See you later. Let it bake, and then what you do is that once it's done baking, then you put your marshmallows last, okay? Make sure you put some butter in there too, okay? You ready, Banks? Greedy. She said, I'm ready to eat now, y'all. Yeah, we ready to eat now too. Look good. What? Come here, little girl. You ready to eat?
I'm ready to eat with marshmallows.
Look up there. I don't know. Oh, we missing a cornbread, y'all. We need some cornbread. Let me taste this macaroni and cheese. Y'all see how it's pulling apart? Look at that. Look at that. Y'all see that? Look at that. Some people don't like mozzarella in their macaroni and cheese, right? But we do. So we like it creamy, okay? Whew. Look, y'all, I'm being greedy. It's hot. I gotta blow it. Okay? I gotta blow it. It's hot, y'all. Alright, hold on. What are you doing putting... Look at this little girl putting... putting a marshmallow... putting a safety pin in the marshmallow.
No, I'm not.
Boy, yes you are.
No, I'm not.
Okay, hi, too.
I look like Nana. I'm Nana.
She said she's me, y'all.
No, not Neo. Nana.
I heard you.
You said Neo.
Alright, y'all.
She said me, y'all.
Y'all got to come check out the dinner. Now, we're about to chow down. Telling me recipe is this mumbo jumbo. Tell me that for
And subscribe.
Hey, Kevin, you want to eat? We got 2 pans right here. You going to take this pan to them?
And subscribe, everybody.
Yeah.
Yeah. We got 2 pans and some fish. Okay, little girl. We're just waiting for the streamies. We're going to do some cornbread. Let me taste this one. Let me make sure this one came out good. All right, y'all see this one right here? Look at that. Look at that. Yeah, you can have this one. I'm going to give this one to my daughter. She's hiding. What? Put that box
My
back.
hair is not done.
All right, family. So that's pretty much, okay, what we have going on over here, okay?
Can I see?
You see?
Subscribe, everybody.
You silly. All right, family. We're coming on tomorrow night to do some teaching, okay? We're coming on tomorrow night to do some teaching, but we're doing a lot of unpacking and cleaning tonight, so I just wanted to brag about the food, you know what I mean? And Cousin Kevin, I'll FedEx you a plate. How about that, okay? I'll FedEx you a plate, but I'm coming back to sit on my bed. So, family, Cheryl Point just said, my Lord. My Lord. Hey, Ashley, you up the street? You want some? Come get some. We cooking for 2 houses, okay? All right. Anyway, family, I'll see everybody tomorrow night. We'll be back on tomorrow night. Another great topic, another teaching topic. Y'all look forward to tomorrow night, okay? We'll be on tomorrow night, so look forward to this. We've been moving all weekend and doing stuff all weekend. And you get to hang out with us and see exactly what I be looking like on Sunday, like a bum, okay? On that note, we'll see everybody tomorrow. I just want to brag about our food. Wish I could share, but I gotta go, y'all, because I got to chow down. All right. See? All right. See you tomorrow, Hassan. All right. Bye, family. Peace and blessings.